LED is called the fourth generation lighting source or green light source, which boasts energy efficiency, eco-friendliness, long lifespan, and compactness. It is widely used in various fields, such as indication, decoration, lighting, and night view. Therefore, Wecon continues to focus on LED industry. It is composed of Wecon LED splitting control system and Wecon taping machine control system, equipped with Wecon PI series HMI, LX5V series PLC, VD2 series servo drive. It is efficient, precise, and stable. The process is as follows. The loading part pours the LED beads into the storage device. The vibrator bowl arranges the lamp beads and delivers them to the belt, rotating the lamp beads to the spectral testing part. Finally, the turntable rotates the tested lamp beads to their positions. Then exhaust pipe blows the lamp beads into the receiving tube. The process is as follows. LED lamp beads are poured into the storage. The LED lamp beads enter the vibrating disc from storage. Arrange and transport the lamp beads orderly to the track. 12 suction nozzles on the turntable at the end of the track suction lamp beads in turn. The suction nozzles rotate to the correction mechanism to correct the direction and angle of the lamp beads. If LED lamp bead voltage is abnormal, it will be blown into the waste pipe. Then the suction nozzle rotates to the polarity detection part to correct the lamp bead electrode polarity. Finally, the vacuum valve on the material belt sucks down the lamp beads. After the visual inspection confirms that the appearance is not incomplete, the material belt advances to the packaging mechanism. The heat sealing mechanism presses the lamp beads onto the light belt. This scheme improves the LED sorting technology, optimizes the servo system, realizes more efficient automation control, greatly improving the production efficiency and product quality. Order delivery is faster and can respond to customer needs in a more timely manner.